Alright, sama ko kayo sa adventures ko. December 1 to 7. Ayan.
Day 1.
So, first day ng December, opening ng Landers Asiana with Bernie Pasamba and the Music Masters. Ayan. So, kami nag-open. Ayan. Nasira na yung air turn ko. So, bili kayo. Murang-mura lang. Check nyo sa Yellow Basket ko. Liling ko sa baba. Mabilis din siya. And very responsive. Ayan. Kasi nga nasira na yung Ped Pro ko for 5 or 7 years na.
Take your phones out. We're already out. We're recording. Here we go. We're dropping the curtain in 3, 2, 1.
Siyempre, after tugtugan, dahil nasa loob na, mamimili muna ng konting stocks para sa Daddy G Cafe. And that ends day 1. Day 2, we had the workshop and parang masterclass and also a concert sa De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Ayan, with Nueno Classico. 10-piece. I think 11 kami ng day 1. And ito yun, Tuesday, December 2. Ayan, so medyo nagsisimula na, nararamdaman ko na ang pagod ng mga araw na yan. So, successful naman ang first day. And then day 3, maaga ang aking call time because I had a rehearsal with MPO for December 6 event. Daddy G Cafe lang sumasalba. So, rehearsal in the morning around 9 or 10 ata. Tapos diretso ulit sa CSB for day 2 ng concert. I think mas na-enjoy nung crowd nung day 2 yung aming performance. Very happy sila with the repertoire. Ayan. And then that ends day 3. Punta na tayo sa day 4, which is sa ano naman ako nito, Circuit Makati. So yung mga events ko, thankfully dikit-dikit. So this was Evenchi. I played for my good friend Christian Aplaon sa kanyang booth sa Prestigious Strings. And right after, we had a rehearsal with the MSO for the Manila Pen concert. Ayan. So, buti na lang, walking distance lang ang mga events. Then, right after, syempre, family time before heading to my next one, which is day 5. So, basically, yung day 5 is sa Philippine Arena. Yung Thursday ko, wala akong masyadong ginawa. I think, turo lang. Pero, ayun, hindi ko na sinama. Ayan, so perform kami sa Philippine Arena for Cloud Staff's year-end party. Nag-perform din yung Beanie and Sponge Cola. Mamaya makikita nyo some clips of them performing. And ayun nga, Saturday na to, no? Actually, wala na rin ako sa araw. Di ko na alam kung ano araw. But thankfully, maaga kaming natapos. Maaga rin kami nakauwi. So, may time pa para magpahinga because day 5 or day 6, I think. Ayan, day 6 nga sabi ko, diba? Is students recital ng Nueno Classico Studio. Our year-end recital. Nag-perform yung dalawang student ko ng violin. And then, diretso ng Manila Pen for MSO. And that's it.